Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Health Elegance.
Today I'm sharing with you a homemade oil mix for hair loss. If you are dealing with hair loss, baldness, premature gray hair, rough hair, dandruff and other hair issues, you should try this herbal oil. You will get the best result within a week. But friends, remember, your lifestyle should be healthy and look after your hair properly. Use this oil mix daily and massage gently. Now start the recipe of this oil. You will need some herbal oils. Take sesame oil 300 gram, Indian gooseberry oil 200 gram, rose oil 200 gram, almond oil 20 gram, jasmine oil 10 gram, jasmine oil 20 gram, pumpkin seed oil 10 gram, lettuce seed oil 10 gram. Method: add all the mentioned oils to a glass bowl. Mix well. Apply this oil mix to your scalp and massage properly. Use it daily. You can half the recipe according to your requirement.
Friends, if you like this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.